Hi, Bo here, your stress coach. I just spent the last 2 weeks down with the flu. When I say down, I mean way down. I lost my voice, couldn't move, coughed my lungs out. It was crazy. One thing I do though when I'm sick is get quiet. This time I dove into a book I've had for a long time called Lessons in Truth by Emily Cady. I think it was written in the late 1800s. But truth, if it's really truth, doesn't change no matter how old it is, right? What I discovered reading this book was that maybe I need to approach relieving stress from a different angle. If you've ever been near a lake or a large body of water, you know that in the center of the lake is the calmest, clearest, cleanest water. As you get to the edges of the bank, though, waste collects there like scum, dead fish, garbage people left there. What I want you to know today is that at the center of the lake is like your pure soul. It's where you're connected to spirit. As the lake water disperses from the center, it collects garbage like when our pure thoughts get invaded by the internet, bad news, problem relationships, work, and money issues. This is where the garbage collects in the human part of our soul. Today, I want you to do a simple exercise to get rid of this garbage that collects and causes stress, basically dispersing the good energy from your soul to the extremities of your body and your life. Just put your hand on your heart and take the biggest breath you can. Imagining that you're taking that God energy and bringing it into the outer parts of your body first. Then begin to think about taking that perfect love and peace to your work. See it in your finances, in your relationship. Use your imagination. See your good flowing from the center of your being. It's a deep breathing exercise, so it's going to calm you first, but it's also using your imagination, which is where spirit communicates. Try it. I promise it'll make your day better. If you haven't already bought my book, Zeroing Out, Stop Stress in 3 Minutes, I encourage you to buy a copy on Kindle for $1.99, on audiobooks for $14.99, and paperback and hardback $7.99 and $13.49, I believe, respectively. I encourage you to do this because you can, in a matter of 3 or 4 minutes, take your stress that you've been holding and let it go. Yes, it might not last all day, but you can do this exercise anytime you have stress. I promise it'll help. I'll leave the information in the link below.